Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your technical friend. Today I am going to explain how to replace temper glass of any mobile. If you have an old temper glass, remove the old temper glass by your nails or use any thin sheet. Remove slowly, don't peel harder, peel slowly. If you peel harder, it will be chances to damage your screen. Peel slowly. After removing your old temper glass, take a smooth cloth, apply alcohol to the cloth. If there is no damages on the screen, apply directly alcohol to the screen to clean the surface of the screen. If there is no damages on the screen, apply directly to the screen. If screen is broken, don't apply alcohol directly to the screen. Clean the surface of the screen without dust. Clean clearly without dust. Check any dust particles are there in the screen. Clean it clearly. Peel back cover of the temper glass. Before applying, peel the back cover of the temper glass. Check the position of the temper glass and check all edges of the temper glass before applying to the mobile. Press it. It was going to remove the air bubble automatically. If it is not, remove the air bubble towards the edges. In this way you can apply temper glass of any mobile. In this mobile there will be a damages on the screen. There will be a line. If air bubbles are there, remove the air bubbles towards the edges by using your finger, or take any smooth cloth, push the air bubble towards the edges. Remove the air bubble towards the edges. See how I am going to remove. In this way only you need to remove the air bubble towards the edges. In this way, if you want, you can apply temper glass to your mobile. In one of next upcoming video, I will show you how to apply temper glass for non-damaged screen. In this position, screen damage is more. That's why I am not able to remove air bubble clearly. If you let for a few hours or one day, there will be a chances to reduce air bubble automatically. If I push the air bubble again and again, but because of the screen damage, the air bubble is not going here. So leave it for 4 to 5 hours or one day. There will be a chance bubble remove automatically. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe and press bell icon for next upcoming video.